Dear students, today we will solve a problem by using the Rayleigh power method. The problem is given by apply power method to find the dominant eigenvalue and eigenvector of the matrix A equal to 1 minus 3 2 4 4 minus 1 6 3 5 1. It is a 3 by 3 square matrix. Therefore, it has 3 eigenvalues and 3 eigenvectors. Now we have to find the largest numerical value of the eigenvalue and its corresponding eigenvector. We know that to apply the power method, first of all, we need an initial vector. So here we are taking, let the initial characteristic vector be x0 is 1 0 0. Therefore, then x1 equal to x0 is the given square matrix, or this is the initial characteristic vector. After multiplying these matrices, we have 1 4 6, we get a column matrix. Now we normalize this column matrix. We choose the numerically largest element from this column. Here the largest element is 6, therefore we choose a 6. Therefore it is 1 by 6, 4 by 6 1, therefore it is this. Suppose it is k1 and it is y1, where k1 here 6 denotes the eigenvalue and this column matrix denotes a vector. Further, we have x2 equals to ay1. Here y1 is this column matrix and a is the given matrix, which is 1 minus 3 2 4 4 minus 1 6 3 1, or y1 is this matrix. After multiplying this matrix, we get this 3 by 1 matrix. Choosing the numerically largest element, here numerically largest element is 8.003. 8.003 is taking common, and we can say we normalize this column matrix. This is after taking this element, we have this column element. Suppose it is k2 y2. The third approximation is given by x3 equals to a, this is y2. A is 1 minus 3 2 4 4 minus 1, this is 6 3 5. Here y2 is this is 0.021 and 0.293, or this is 1. After multiplying these matrices, we have this is, and taking the column of this matrix, we have this is 6.002 and the column matrix is given by 0191, or which is 0.252, and this is 1. Suppose it is k3 and y3. Here k3 is 6.220 and y3 is this column matrix. The further integration is given by this is x4 equals to this is a y3. Here a is the given matrix, this is 1 minus 3 2, this is 4 4 minus 1, or this is 6 3 5, and this is y3. Here y3 is 0.191, or this is 0.252, or this is 1. After this multiplication, we have this is 2.065, this is minus 0.668, or this is 627, or this is 6272 is 6272, taking common 6272, this is 0.329, or this is minus 0.011, this is 1. Suppose it is K4 Y4. This is K4 Y4. K4 Y4. Now the next approximation is given by, this is x5 equals to, this is a y4. Here a is 1 minus 3 2, or this is 4 4 minus 1, this is 6 3 5, or here y is 0.329 minus 0.011, or this is 1. After this multiplication, we have 6.941, or which is 0.340, or this is 0.185, or this is 1. This is x5. Suppose it is K5 and Y5. Proceeding in the similar way, we observe that the largest eigenvalue of the given square matrix is given by the largest eigenvalue, or dominant eigenvalue of the square matrix A is given by, suppose this is lambda equal to 7, and the corresponding eigenvector is given by, suppose this is x, this is 0.340, this is 0.1865, or this is 1. Thank you. Have a nice day. We will take another problem based on the power method in the next lecture.